Let's meet Mr. Samuel. He had been having trouble opening and shutting his garage door for the past few days. So, he contacted many local garage companies for repair services but couldn't find a reliable solution. Finally, his neighbor recommended Adams Garage Doors LLC, the best garage door company near his location. Without further ado, he dialed 703-623-6766, talked with their expert, and scheduled a service. Their competent door technicians came on time and quickly found the faults of the door. With expertise, and by using high-end equipment, they repaired the door and also provided warranties. Mr. Samuel was overjoyed with their world-class craftsmanship and affordable repair services. So, like him, are you searching for the best garage door repair company? Visit AdamsGarageDoorsLLC.com to know more.